Hello. Today, let's notice the weather. First, look outside or imagine the sky. Is it sunny, cloudy, or rainy? Can you hear raindrops? Now, notice your inside weather. Perhaps your body feels heavy or light. Can you feel a light wind? Perhaps you are warm. Perhaps you are cool. Is your inside weather busy and rushing? Quiet or calm? Tired or energetic? You can imagine your body like the weather outside. Sometimes calm, sometimes changing. Say silently if you like. Outside is sunny. Inside is calm. Outside is cloudy. Inside is tired. The air is soft. I feel relaxed. It is rainy outside. I am quiet inside. It is okay simply to notice. You do not need to change anything. Take a slow breath. Notice the rhythm of your chest, rising and falling. Notice the soft sounds around you. Notice the light from the windows or the sky. Thank you for being aware. Join me soon for another calm, mindful English listening activity.